Uh. Damn. Nah, turn up, turn up. Come on, Denji. What the heck? Bro, ain't no way you gonna get bodied again, bro. Come on, turn up. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's boy the Million, the Down, back in cut with Chainsaw Man, episode 1, Dog and Chainsaw. Yeah, so this is the one, you know what I mean? This is the big hyped anime, you know what I'm saying, for this season, outside of Bleach. But yeah, been hearing a lot of good things about this first episode. I got very high expectations, not gonna lie. Yeah, you know, they say not to have high expectations, but I got very high ones for this one. Just because of the hype, you know what I mean? Apparently this episode was fire, so watch Bleach, watch Blue Lock, that was good. So now we're gonna check out Chainsaw Man and see what the hype is about. So yeah, let's get into another Mappa anime. So you know, Mappa delivers. And yeah, I know nothing about the series honestly too, so we're gonna check it out and see what exactly is going on. I saw the trailers though, so I do know that it's like something to do with I guess like these devils or whatnot, or that's what they call them at least. And yeah, I guess they hunt them down, and I think the main character is like he's also kind of like a devil as well, but he has like a chainsaw one. And yeah, I think he joins like this group that hunts down these guys. So we're gonna check it out. It should be dope. Let's get into it, man. Chainsaw Man, episode 1. Let go. Okay, we're getting a first person point of view. Okay. This man breathing heavy. Hold on, bro. That was loud, bro. Hold on, getting a little. This joint getting starting off a little. Starting off a little anxious right now. Okay, hold up. So was that like a dream? Dang, where does he live? Where does he work? Hold on. Kidney. Okay. Oh wow, this man's really. Yo, is he okay? This man is fiending for money, bro. I still. Dang, he's in big debt. The heck is that? Cochita. Oh, he's been doing this. Okay. This man said he sold one of his nuts. Alright, it's the intro. Okay. It's a weird intro, but okay. Animation looked good though, man. No, he killed it. Okay. Tomato devil. Dang. Management costs. Bro, if he. Bro, hold on, man. Why does he owe so much, bro? What kind of. A slice of bread. Oh, wow, that's trash. So he's paying off his dad's debt. Hey, wow. He's like, sure. What? Yeah, he's crazy. Okay, I'm about to say. Hold on. I'm about to say, if he did that, that'd be crazy. But he'll sell one of his nuts, though. So he never had nothing. Damn, that's a trash life. That's the one dream.
But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish.
That is dad. What? Yo, that's crazy. Nah, that's wild. Okay. So there can be like a devil for anything, basically, because there was a tomato one. There's this chainsaw dog one, I guess. So I wonder how that happens. Bite me. Gotta help me. Okay. Mm. That's how it all started. How did his dad get into such a debt, though? Okay. Dang, is he good? Oh. Oh. What's that from? The cigarette? Oh, dang. I like the angle. Mm. I feel like I don't know what kind of guys this dude got around him, but I feel like Denji could low key. I feel like he'd take him out. Like he might not have to pay this debt if he didn't want to, but I don't know. He gets money this way too, so. Mm. Oh, it's a setup. It's a setup. Why though? Like, what's he doing? Wow. Wow. Damn, from behind though.
He did it from behind. Didn't come to me face, did he? Nah, mate. Couldn't do that.
Oh wow. These guys suck. What kind of deal is that? Oh, that's crazy. I'm surprised he can still run. Man got stabbed in the freaking spine. Oh, ooh. Oh, oh, whoa. Wow. Mm. There's no way he survived that, bro. How do you survive that? Yeah, he died, bro. He got thrown in the freaking trash. What? Did he get beheaded? Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's when the dog chainsaw became Chainsaw Man. That's what happened? The chainsaw dog turned to Chainsaw Man. Mm. Wow. He been made this deal. Hmm. Wow. Dang. That's crazy. Oh, that's how. Oh, wow. Look at that. Whoa. But like, does he regain his memories or is how? Hold on. Can speak. Uh. Whoa. And he's up. Dang. Wow. Basically revived him. That's crazy. Nah, that's different. Okay. Pochita. Oh, that's how he like revs up, like with the chest. That's crazy. He really got bodied. No, it's over now. Oh, look how he stepped out. He ready. Uh. Damn. Nah, turn up, turn up. Come on, Denji. What the heck? Bro, ain't no way you gonna get bodied again, bro. Come on, turn up. They about to get shredded. Oh, you hear that? That's a chainsaw. Yeah, you hear it? Okay. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Lethal. Mmm. Hmm. So he feels pain. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, he's scared. Now you scared. Yeah. Talking all that big stuff. Now you scared. Yeah, Denji, go off. Ooh, stepping on his. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Clean. Clean. Nah, that's a crazy way to go, bro. Freaking chainsaw. The CGI is it's not bad, bro. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, right. Mm. Yeah, you gotta get that one. That's one way to erase that debt, for sure. Okay, well, daytime, I guess he's a free man now. Ooh, crisp animation. Okay, now y'all come. Okay. I guess they heard the chainsaw was going off. I don't know. How did they know that he was here? Why is he just standing there? Mm. This man said hug me. Oh wow, she actually did. Okay, she's different. With the chainsaws too. Alright. Mm. 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 Hmm. Okay. Public safety. Hmm. Okay. Well, let's go with option two. I keep you. What do you mean keep you like that? I'll make sure you're fed. She's talking to him like he a pet or something. Make sure you're fed. She's like, bet. He's like, hold on now. Okay. Okay, that's it. All right, Chainsaw Man. All right now. Listen, Mappa, they might have another one on their hands. They might have another one on their hands, bro. Can't lie. This one is very unique, bro. Chainsaw Man. I can kind of understand the hype. You know what I mean? It's a different show for sure. You know, animation on point. CGI in it is actually pretty good too. It's not. I feel like they do CGI well in this show. I can see that's gonna be utilized a lot, but I can also see that they're gonna use it well. So I'm actually excited to see how it's gonna look throughout the series. First episode was really good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Denji, interesting guy. He's had a trash life, bro. You know what I mean? He actually died too, so that was crazy. But we see his backstory a little bit with his dad. His dad owed a lot of money. Not sure why, but I guess he was just involved with the wrong people. He was obviously in the dealings with like the black market and all that stuff. So Denji, as a kid, he had to pay off his dad's debt. Dad hung himself, so the dad hung himself, and he had extra debt he still needed to pay off. So that dealer was like, "Nah, it's on you now." So Denji he had to find a way to get that money. He found the chainsaw, the dog chainsaw, who was, I guess, was randomly behind a tree, and it came out. You know what I mean? And that's when Denji and the dog had that little, that's when they grew their bond. Denji let the dog bite him, and then the rest was history, I guess. But yeah, that's crazy, bro. Like they said, the way he started off, the freaking show was funny as heck, bro. This man said, "Oh yes, I sold my left eye, I sold one of my nuts." Like, whoa, bro. Okay, so he was just finding a way to get this money anyhow, bro. Like that was crazy. He woke up, he was like, "I gotta go to work," and I was like, "Okay, where does he work?" Because he's in the freaking middle of nowhere in the freaking forest. But obviously, we found out he's a devil hunter, and that's how he's getting most of his money, other than selling his organs and his nuts and all that. So yeah, man, trash life, bro. He actually lived it out. It actually, you could say his first life was really just trash, honestly, from beginning to the end of it, to when he died right there. But then obviously we get the rebirth. Him and this chainsaw dog made a pact, and we found out the chainsaw the devil chainsaw dog can speak. I don't know if it could always speak, but it spoke in Denji's mind or in his dreams right there, it looked like. So yeah, it basically said, yo, instead of the dog taking over Denji's body, it seems like it allowed Denji to come back with his mind intact, or keep his heart, but just wanted Denji to show him his dream, which is basically to live a normal life. But obviously I think we're gonna see, and Denji's gonna find out as well, that this life that he's gonna end up living, his new life now, is not gonna be normal at all. So that's gonna be very fun, bro. I'm excited to see him kind of experience these new things, because obviously he's gonna get some better meals than what he was having before. Freaking slice of bread, like, come on, man, trash. So yeah, interesting stuff, man. Good episode. I could see, what I'm saying, I could see this one being pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, this was good, man. And then we also see this girl at the end. She's apparently part of the public safety devil hunters or whatever. So she looks like to be one of the professional devil hunters, and I guess she recruited Denji at the end right there, because she was like, yo, we got two options, basically on some Yuji stuff, the options that they give them, either you could die right now as a devil, or you could come with us and remain human and work with us. So obviously Denji, I'm assuming he's gonna choose the second option. He asked what's for breakfast, so she said, hey, we got some bread with some jam, got some salad and some dessert. He was like, oh yeah, I'm in. He basically had him at bread and jam, honestly, or bread and whatever she said. So yeah, that was a cool little moment right there, man. And yeah, I'm assuming she's pretty nasty with the hands too, because for her to just be willing to hug a chainsaw freaking devil like that, she must be pretty nice. So yeah, I'm excited to see the rest of the people in the organization, how strong they are, what her role is specifically, because she said that, but just by looking at Denji, she could tell that he was human and he wasn't possessed. So yeah, I wonder how that works for her, and how she's able to do that, and if anybody else is actually able to do that as well, or if she's just kind of special in that way. So yeah, good stuff, man, good stuff. So that was Chainsaw Man episode 1, bro. Looking forward to the next one. We gonna rock with that. Do all that stuff in the description. Catch on the next. Stay healthy, stay powerful, stay blessed.
Oh, I don't really stress over pressure, I think big. Who am I if I don't take it further than Nip did? Had dreams of being the owner since this big. Gotta set the bar even higher and switch gears.